Hi students of class 4, today we will revise the question answer of chapter 2. I think everyone has finished writing the question answer in the computer CW copy. Few are there, those who have not finished, please finish it fast and send it to me for correction. Those who have finished, get ready with the computer CW copy. Those who have not done, get ready with the computer CW computer book. First question that we have done in this chapter 2 is what is an interface? Now, the working environment provided by the operating system to the user after it gets loaded on the computer is called the interface. Next is, in this chapter we have learned how many folders are there in libraries and name them. 4 folders are there: picture, document, videos and music. These are the 4 folders we have. What are sticky notes? Now, sticky note is an application that is integrated in Windows. It is a small utility that allows us to create all kinds of notes in Windows. Okay. Next, what are desktop gadgets? Name some gadgets. Gadgets are the mini programs in Windows which offer information at a glance. For example, we can display news feeds, weather details on the desktop using the gadgets. Some of the gadgets are like calendar, clock, weather feed, feed headlines, slideshow and picture puzzle. Next, write some features of Windows 7. Any 5 I told you to learn. Like, it is simple to use. The taskbar show all the open programs. When we hover the mouse over the open programs, thumbnails of the open files can be seen. It has a new arrow pick feature which turns the open window transparent and show us the desktop. The notification area is very simple and not cluttered with too many icons. It has a jump list which takes us quickly to the recently opened programs. Gadgets have been provided which can be placed on the desktop to provide information at a glance. These are the features of Windows 7. From here, any 5 important 5 please learn. Next, define context menu. Whenever we right click on any folder or any area of the desktop, a pop-up menu appears with some options. That menu is called the context menu or shortcut menu. This menu shows us different options depending upon the place where we have right clicked. Next, define wallpaper. Now, wallpaper is also called desktop background. The picture or the background that we see when we start the computer is called the wallpaper. What is screensaver? The screensaver is a moving picture or graphics which run when our computer is idle for some time. What is the shortcut to add new note? Control plus N is the shortcut to add a new note whenever we need. Along with this, please learn the let's recap of page 23. And certain portions I told you to underline, like how to delete a note, how to add a note, and then we have over here what is desktop, what is the full form of GUI. These things you have to learn. Who invented Microsoft Windows, in which year, these things you have to learn. So I think today's CW is clear to all. HW is to learn the question answer, learn the underlined portions, learn the let's recap of chapter 2. As you finish learning, please write it 1 or 2 times at home to improve your spelling. Okay, so stay at home, and if you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. Stay at home. Please finish your work on time. Those who have not finished writing, finish the writing part, send it to me at dphhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction, and read the chapter, and please stay healthy, do your work on time. Bye bye.